Hey friends, Shane Parent here, REMAX Overseas Platinum Team, and I'm joined, as always, with our friends Kris Trajano and Allison McDougall, and we're going to go over what happened in the month of July in Edmonton, giving you a bit of an idea of pace of the market and overall highlights. And we're a little bit into August at this point in time, so we'll see you shortly for August's update. But still wanted to give you the deets, right? So give us an idea of what's going on with condos for July. How prices working out?
Apartment style condos. Average price on those bad boys are $203,000. They're sitting on the market for about 47 days, which is similar to what last year's was, a few days more. And the price of those have actually increased by 1% from last year, but shortly decreased from last month.
Okay, so year over year, up in price, but trending down seasonally then probably a bit?
Ish. Maybe just this month, we'll see, because it's like very minute.
Okay, great. On the single family and things, how the price is going, how fast are things selling?
Well, for single family, we are at $569,000 for the average price. That is trending upward from last year, and both year over year and month over month. Number of sales is down year over year, talking generally, but our inventory is kind of clipping up. Days on market is pretty much the same. We're one day lighter than we were last year this time. Okay. So single family is looking pretty strong, just a little more inventory and a little few less sales than we had last year.
Yeah, I think that's a general story. Seasonally, things are slowing down a little bit, so everybody gets in freak out mode, but it's very comparable to previous years for August, or for July versus July. And into August, we're seeing the same thing. A little bit more properties for sale, and the actual amount of sales has slowed down slightly. Now we're just over 5,300 properties for sale in the greater Edmonton area, in Edmonton. And based on the pace of the market, we have still under 3 months of inventory, which puts us in a seller's market in Edmonton. Let's talk on the high and low end of things. What are some of the outside markets? I'm
going to finish this up. So on the low end of things for single family, I had a single family that was in Parkdale. It sold for $125,000. It was in need of quite a bit of work. So, a couple bedrooms, couple bathrooms, I think, but a little bit rougher than our typical single family, but $125,000 probably still doable to create something rentable.
Yeah, that seems like it's almost above lot value.
Yeah, right at it, And then from on the high end of things, this beautiful property sold for $2.9. Very large, it's about 5,700 square feet, 2-story in Windermere, 7 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, 3 up and 1 down, quad garage, and beautiful property.
Yeah. Cool, because you talk about other markets, and that's like an average sale price, and that's our highest sale.
That's our highest sale.
In July, right? Yeah. So cool. On the condo end of things?
The lowest price condo that sold in July was sold at $57,000. It was a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom on a low-rise condo complex, and just shy of 450 square feet. But you get a parking stall with that as well.
Oh, nice.
And on the high end, this was in Garneau, beautiful view. This sold at $835,000. It was a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and you got 2 titled underground stalls with that. Almost 2,000 square feet.
Nice.
Love that.
Yeah.
So not a lot of condos in Edmonton selling over $1 million, right? And so that's on the high side, $835,000 for July. So hopefully you found some good information out of our quick and dirty market update for July. Appreciate you watching the video. Remember, real estate is more neighborhood specific, so if you're curious on what's going on in an area that you have interest in or that you currently live in, we'd love to help and have a chat and give you some sage advice. And again, if you made it this far in the video, please go ahead and
like
and subscribe.
Take care.
Bye.